I trust everybody's doing great. There are very many different ways for you and me to earn money on social media, and especially with your smartphone. This majorly for beginners, and also for some people who are feeling, no, I want to start earning money on social media. Seriously, how much you earn on social media will depend on various things, as we have always saying. But for you who just came today, we are going to be showing you the different ways of you to earn with your smartphone. It is going to be a bit short but precise. If you want the detailed one, you can go to the comment section and tell us which exactly do you want for us to expand on. Now, this experience is it is from my experience and from other people, the 2% or around the 2% of the people who have been near me and are using their platforms, their social media platforms, their smartphone to make money. Is it a business? It's more than a business. It's like a project. Why am I saying it's more than a business? This one you don't put money at all. I'll be coming to that in another video. So, good morning. Hope you're all doing great. This is Christine on Immaculate Show, the lady that says, I cannot hold my smartphone and beg for bread. What I can beg for, I can beg for $50 and more than that, but not bread. So, let's dive in and see how do you earn from your smartphone, because still people don't click it. That's why someone can go to a video and say, please let me in, if it is not Superlife. Superlife is one of the platform that has been a bit scammy in Africa and in particular in Uganda, so most people have been affected. No, here we say, baby girl, hold on, we don't want your money. We only want you to listen. We only want you to understand. Before I dive into the different ways of making money with our smartphone and social media in particular, let me first talk to and salute our smart engagers, our top ones, the people that have been there for us 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 day. Thank you very much. And for you who just come in and you've subscribed, please, this is a platform, and this is a disclaimer. This platform gives you less than 10% of the tips. Yours is to get something, go and research about it. If you know you can take it, you can take it. And remember, all these ones can be qualified if you're a mother, you're a stay-home mom, you're a wife, you're not a wife, you're a single mother, you're a student, you're working class, all of you can qualify, irrespective of where you are. And in general, 98% it qualifies worldwide. Why did I put 98%? Because there are some countries which are not monetized on one platform and they are monetized on one platform. So let's dive in and see how are we earning money? How am I earning money? I'm earning money in different ways, especially for beginners. I'm going to dwell on majorly on my phone and smartphone and how I've been doing it. One, I've been making money with Facebook. I want you to write in the comment section Facebook. Most of us, we have Facebook, but unlike the 2%, we don't earn from there. What is the reason? Is it because we don't know, or is it because we are not convinced? These are two different things. I'm here not to convince you. I'm here to give you what works for me and what works for other 2%. So I earn from Facebook. How do I earn from Facebook? I earn from Facebook in different ways. I earn from stories. I earn from my posts. I earn from text. I earn from videos. I earn from reels. I earn from membership. There's a subscription. I earn from stars. Those are gifts. And at the same time, I earn from, mention it, brands. But brands is almost like 0.2%. But my other things I'm earning from there. There are different ways of earning from Facebook. Sometimes I earn from Facebook by getting bonus. So if you want to make money on Facebook, put it in the comment section and let me know how do you want me to explain it for you. The second way of earning on social media with my smartphone is YouTube. I earned from YouTube and I'm still earning from YouTube. And major on YouTube, I'm earning from shorts and I'm earning from videos. You'll ask me that shorts are always vertical and they are less than 3 minutes. So between that I earn from there, and it is major AdSense earning. Then I also earn from videos, of which videos even start from 3 minutes and above, I earn from them. What do I do? Who pays me? Who pays me? It is from AdSense earning. And who pays AdSense earning? AdSense earning, it's when the advertisers put adverts on your videos. So this is what they have been doing. They put adverts on my videos and I earn from there. Also, I earn by membership. Membership, most people subscribe and they pay a certain amount of money to get exclusive assistance. So I earn also like that. The third way of earning from social media and my phone, I've earned by TikTok. TikTok has paid me money, but compared to the 3 platforms, TikTok, I'm giving it out of 100%. YouTube takes around 75%. Facebook takes around 20%, and TikTok takes around 2% or 3%. So you can see, and majorly for TikTok, I'm earning gifts. Those are stars. They are called, okay, you know that they are gifts. Yes, this money they send you roses and other things, and it is converted into dollars. Then another way I've earned from with my social media, my phone, is through apps. How do I earn from apps? I earn from apps, like I told you one time here, from Paid Work was my first platform that I earned from, whereby I was doing videos and making surveys. Now, when you some of these ones, I bring for you the last one I've been earning on is WhatsApp status. WhatsApp status is not an ordinary just for fun. Yeah, the main role, it is for you to message, to talk with somebody. But for me, I've been using my status. One, I put my links, I put my branded things, I put the products, and people earn from there. So you guys, most of you think, when you hear that word, I'm earning on social media, you take it to be just minor. No, people have gotten millions out of social media, out of their smartphone. What matters is, what do you want you as a person? Do you want to earn from social media? Do you want to earn with your smartphone? If you want, dive in and let it be done. Thank you very much. See you in another video.